Evening, everyone. It's a little late, almost 8 o'clock, but I'm not going to keep you very long. Today was another somewhat interesting day. The market finished up 114, which was neither here nor there. NASDAQ was down on the day, which was kind of a surprise, down 36.81 or just under 0.3%. The S&P was basically unchanged, up 2.75 or 0.7%. The big winner again, the Russell 2000, which made a new high today, up 1722 or just under 0.9%. And the Dow Jones Transports up a little less than 0.5%, up 56.76. The Dow stocks were 17 up, 13 down. The biggest loser was CRM, Salesforce, and Microsoft came in a close second. And on the upside, we had UNH and Honeywell, but also, not major moves. What I will say is that of the 9 or 10 groups that I keep track of, and those stocks, only one group was lower today, and that was work from home. On the upside, we had biotech, infrastructure, defense, reopening plays, so airlines and cruise lines, retail, food, finance, cannabis, and energy, all higher on the day. The chart on the screen here tonight is Bitcoin, which for the first time in a while, is actually right under the 5-day moving average. So we don't know if that'll hold down there or if we'll have another rally to the upside, but it's not that it's below it for very long. I mean, it was below it earlier in the month on December, this day on the close anyway, December 11th. But the last time it was under it, it had closed basically around 18,000. And today's close, which was a new all-time closing high, 23,510. This is the first time that we've been below that in 18 to 24, in 30% on the upside. What's remarkable is that 30% in the upside only took 7 days. In any event, that's the story there. We had a little bit better action in the metals today because the dollar was lower yet again. Dollar closed down around 20 cents. Oh, the Bitcoin is down 530 tonight. So we'll see if that lasts the whole night. But the dollar index, which has been pretty erratic, we came down here and closed on a new low, recent low, and then we moved all the way back. This low was 89.64. We moved all the way back to 91 in a day and a half, closed on the low, was up yesterday, down today. Now it looks like it may be trying to give us a little bit of horizontal trading, and maybe we can realign and decide where risk and reward lay. And in the metals, the gold was up slightly. It's down tonight. But it's only down $1, and it was up about $7.50 today. And this is also in a pretty important area. As you can see, we came off the low, we consolidated across, and then moved up. At the same time that the dollar hit its low, we rallied up to 1912, I believe that was. Yep, 1912 exactly. And came all the way back down, and now we're consolidating across. I would say as long as we have closes, above this area at 1862, 1865, in that area, I think we could easily move higher. I want to give you a little bit more perspective here. We have this great channel. We just about hit it, and now I'm hoping that we don't have to come back down to the bottom of the channel. That's $150 on the downside. But we could easily, hold in this 1850 to 1875 area and head high. All right, everyone. I'll be back first thing in the morning, and have a good evening.